That's a good one.
He looks dead.
Don't go quiet on me now, doggy. Oh, he heard me say his name. He flinched. Oh, there goes one. He's like a fucking old man.
Twitched.
Nebula, quit snoring.
He's like looking at the camera.
His fucking eyeball.
It's okay now. It's okay.
God, you're killing me, dog.
It's okay. Go back to sleep. It's okay.
He's saying all you see is an eyeball. Wait.
His eyes back open. Back to sleep. His eyelids just fall right open.
Peanuts on top. The warm flavor of that cinnamon
You
inside
awake?
is so
My dog that sleeps with his eyes open. So strange.
Stan is truly a legend in Westwood. I mean,
All the boys in this family sleep with their eyes open. Nebula, Joey, Nicholas.
He's looking around the room.
Fucking dork.
Go back to sleep.
What are you doing, dorky dog? Trying to sleep. You bitches keep waking me up. How's it feel? You do it to me all the time, that freaking snoring.
I want to put my donut.
He's like, no. Stop it. Stop it.